And we're going to get started with our tutorial. We're going to do just a basic single-handle bathroom faucet here in Autodesk Fusion 360, excuse me. Um, you can pay $70 a month for this program, or you can get it for free on the Autodesk website as long as you have a valid student ID. So, however way you do it, that's up to you. We get started. So you want to get started by bringing in your three views. For depending on the how complex the object is that you're trying to model in Fusion 360, you can do three views or you can do four views. Three views typically consist of front, top, and right. Four views consist of front, top, right, and rear. So we're just going to do three views because bathroom faucet with one handle is pretty simple. I might actually show you guys how simple it is. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to bring in the right side view first. So you want to click on the little box there, right side. We're going to bring in the view, we're going to bring in the picture as a canvas. So we're going to click on insert. You want to go ahead and click on canvas, insert from my computer, and then you're going to go to already have the folder created with the pictures inside, and we're going to choose bathroom faucet side view. Okay, now it's going to give you the option like where you want to put it. You can put it on an offset plane, or you can just put it right on to the origin. This would be the origin. Go ahead and make that visible. So we're going to click on right, going to click on this box, and it's going to open it up. We have the picture in. We want to edit this picture and make it bigger. So we're going to go over to canvas. You see it's highlighted when you go to hover over it. Right click it. Oh, I'm using a Windows operating system, by the way. So for iOS, it's going to be a little different. Right click and choose calibrate. Now here's the thing, you want to go ahead and zoom in. Let's see. Okay, we're going to zoom in and we're going to calibrate. So the way you do that, there we go. All right, so the height from the top of the faucet to the base is 6.5 inches. So what you want to do, let's get out of orthographic. I'm sorry, guys and gals. Okay, there we go. We're in orthographic. So with orthographic view, you're looking at it, in plain view. So from top to bottom, we're going to type in 6.5. Okay, there it is. It's going to blow up. So now you have it blown up. And what this does is get some form of accuracy, I guess, when it comes to the size of the object that you're modeling. So now we're going to move it around. Me personally, okay, let's right click, edit canvas. We're going to move it around. If you choose this center button, it'll let you freehand it. If you use the arrow, it's going to create a constraint and move it up and down, and then left and right. But we're going to kind of freehand it. What we want to do is put the center of the base right down at the center of the origin. Something like that. Okay, we're going to press OK, and boom. All right, now we're going to bring in the top view. Okay. All right. Now you have to click the corresponding view on your little box here, your little visibility box. And then it gives you the option to choose the face. Choose that. Okay. Press OK. Now you have to do the same thing. You want to calibrate. Right click, left click on calibrate. And now from the width of the faucet is going to be 2 inches. It's actually like the front view. Let's actually give me 1 second. I'm out of messed up here. I did, yeah. Okay. There we go. All right. Good. So I'm going to do that. So we're going to calibrate. Now the width of it again, 2 inches. Okay. And then you want to edit. There you have it. Okay. All right. And now we're going to do the front view. So you want to add that in. Canvas. Same thing, front view. And then you want to choose the corresponding, just like that. Select his face. Okay. Now, the height of it is still going to be, let's see, 6.5. So we want to calibrate this the same way. Top of it, bottom of it, 6.5. Okay. Okay, there we go. Just looking for edit canvas. All right. Now it's to match up fairly well. So this is what we're looking at. Now, if you notice, we're gonna have to make some alterations with the top view, which is not a big deal really. What we have to do is go to top view. Let's check everything. Yep. So everything else matches up except for the top view. Now you may have to shrink it. You may have to make it bigger. So we're going to go to right side plane view. We're going to tilt, do a 45-degree tilt. And that's going to give us an indication of what we need to do. We're going to make this a little larger. Okay, then we're going to move it. So that's roughly what we're looking for. We're not going to get it exact. You can even type it in. Let's see. Okay, all right, that's good enough. All right, so this is our setup. This is how it's going to look. in our three views. Okay, top view. All right, we're good to go. All right, so you want to save. We're going to call this bathroom faucet tutorial, and then new project, bathroom. And you can see some of the other things I've done. Okay, save. All right, we're good to go. Thank you all for tuning in to the first segment of this tutorial series. Click like, subscribe, show some love, and I appreciate you all for tuning in. This is Mozario with Mozario Design, and stay tuned for the next segment.